it was 1995, I guess, and there was an old fence here put up in the 70s by the previous owner. I bought this home in '88, and the only way was standing up. The termites were holding hands. So I knew how to do something, and I didn't want to take down a bunch of trees, because I'm always saying, hey, don't take down those trees, let's save those trees. So I had to put my money where my mouth is, find an alternative, and I got this recycled plastic fence. Rochelle fought me on it. When she heard I was getting recycled milk jugs for a fence, she said, if I see low fat and I see barcode, you are so divorced. I said, honey, you won't see any of it, trust me.
Yeah, that is the first image people have with recycled milk jugs in decks and other things like that. They do think of the lids and everything else.
See that
handles
stuff
on it. You have a handle on it. So.
But it looks great.
It does look great, and there are more and more of these plastic lumber products hitting the market every day. Some, like Ed's fence, are all plastic, but many of the ones designed for decking and fencing are composites of plastic and wood fiber. In many cases, that wood fiber or sawdust is also recycled material, but not all plastic composites are necessarily made from recycled materials. Some are made from virgin petroleum. So if green is your reason for buying them, it's a good idea to do some checking into the origins of the products you're considering before you bring them home to install.